Hi, my name is Amit Mittal from Madasky Consulting. We specialize in transforming businesses and driving efficiency. Today, I want to share a story of transformation that highlights our expertise. One of the largest and the oldest home textile company in India faced multitude of challenges: high production cost, low efficiency, delays in trims and packaging material, excessive work in progress, high wastage and rejection, and underutilized capacity. We engaged with the key stakeholders to understand their critical issues. Our approach was comprehensive. We conducted a thorough analysis and identified the gaps. We recommended and implemented several solutions. The detailed planning and 48-hour rolling line-wise loading with 100% trims and packing material. Operator allocation as per the operation bulletin. Monitoring hourly line-wise target versus actual production. Identifying and retraining the low-performing operators. To achieve this, we introduced robust production management software. This helped control the work in progress, reduce rejection rates, manage low-performing operators, monitor hourly production and quality. Over the next 4 months, rigorous monitoring and addressing the key issues led to remarkable results. We saw a 30% increase in productivity and 35% boost in efficiency. The costs were reduced, on-time delivery was achieved, and the team was more motivated than ever. If your business is struggling with similar challenges, reach out to us at Madasky Consulting. Let's help you to transform your operations and achieve excellence. Thank you.